The passion for enclosures is a aluCLIC tradition. We've been developing innovative solutions for 20 years in order to pack our customers' technology in attractive enclosures. Enclosures must be particularly durable and easy to assemble, because machines and production plants are usually in use for many years. For example, when replacing control systems. Clever solutions for particularly short conversion times are required here. And that is exactly what the new aluCLIC aluCLIC enclosures are. They are no longer screwed on, but simply fitted onto a snap-on device. Changing components used to be rather cumbrous. First, 4 screws had to be loosened on the cover, followed by the enclosure having to be removed from the inside with another 4 screws, resulting in a total of 16 screwing procedures. Our well-established aluCase enclosures already have an important assembly advantage. After removal of the design strip, they can be loosened without having to open the cover. This is gentle on the seals, so that the high ingress protection class IP67 can be permanently maintained. To guarantee this, we've ventured along totally new paths with the aluCLIC enclosures. The particular advantage lies in the innovative fastening solution, which has definitely got the knack even without screws. Because here, only one base plate is screwed to a stable surface. The enclosure itself engages with a slight click. To remove the enclosure, the catch is simply pushed back, and the entire component can be taken off in an instant. A perfect connection with the snap-on device is made by suitable recesses in the underside. Screws are no longer visible from the outside. aluCLIC also excels with a clear, clean-cut appearance. The entire front surface can be used for membrane keypads if required. There is ample space for installations, as fixing channels are superfluous. aluCLIC has been designed according to the example of industrial connectors and is the first aluminium enclosure of this kind. We offer 3 standard sizes depending on requirements. These fulfill the ingress protection IP67 and are available in IP69K on customer's request. We modify the enclosures on our modern CNC systems to match customer specifications. We have a wide range of standard colours available for an attractive appearance. We're also able to fulfill all customer wishes in our painting plants. This is how the parts for individual composition fit together in a modular fashion. When it comes to a suitable enclosure solution with a long service life and a quick change option, aluCLIC aluCLIC enclosures are the ones to choose.